morning, beta. Let's start with the revision of lines and angle. Exercise 5.1, last question 20. Let's start with that question. Then we'll start the second exercise. Last question is 14th question. In this, you have to write a linear pair, adjacent pair, and obtuse complementary angles. Obtuse execute this type of angles are. Two lines are intersecting each other, and one line is perpendicular, that is making 90 degree with the baseline. You have to write first part is
first part we discuss. First part we discuss.
we have done.
We have. Second part is adjacent complementary angles.
You have to write two angles which are adjacent as well as complementary.
The angles are BOA and AOE as they form 90 degree. 90.
These two angles are adjacent, and when you combine these two angles, they are forming
90 degree.
So they are complementary adjacent angles. Write the name.
Third part is
Part more. Have any other pair of this answer? Is there only one answer? This question is second part का एक ही आंसर है. कोई और एंगल नहीं है तो पेयर में आपको 190 डिग्री तो एक ही पेयर सेकंड पार्ट
equal supplementary angles.
Yes, you have to write two angles which are supplementary and the angle should be equal.
The angles are BOA, BOE and EOD. They both form 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Next part is unequal supplementary angles. The unequal supplementary angles are the unequal supplementary angles which whose measure is not equal.
पहले आपने लिखा ना थर्ड पार्ट में टू एंगल्स इक्वल कितने सप्लीमेंट्री अब आपने दो अनइक्वल एंगल ले लिए बट द सम ऑफ दोस टू एंगल्स शुड बी 180.
The angles are AOE and EOC. This is smaller and this is bigger.
Means you have to search for the angles which are lying on a straight line.
And the next part is BOA and AOD. BOA
ऐसे करके बनाओ पूरा सेमी सर्कल ऐसे करके
and AOD. BOA and AOD. It forms 180 degree. The fifth part is adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Those angles are BOA and AOE. Linear pair is a pair which forms 180 degree and the opposite and the rays form opposite and the non-common arm falls on the opposite side of the common arm. Adjacent angles that do not form linear.
कोई भी adjacent angle लिख सकते हो but make sure that it will not form 180.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjacent to both sides
Next is AOE and EOD. The next pair is EOD and DOC. The ones that I can.
आपने ये लिखा है AOE EOD लिखा है EOD के साथ ये भी clear? Any doubt? Let's start with the next exercise 5.2. First question. Lines are parallel then. If the lines are parallel, then angles on the same side of the transversal are equal and they are said to be corresponding angles. यही कह रही हो ना आप? सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल के जो एंगल्स बनते हैं ना, ये देखो, ये ट्रांसवर्सल के इस साइड वाला एंगल, ये और ये इक्वल थोड़ी है, कौन से एंगल है? इनको एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल नहीं कहते, इन्हें कहते हैं को इंटीरियर एंगल या इंटीरियर एंगल। बोलो ना, इंटीरियर बोलो ना, फिर 180 होता है इनका सम। और जो हम बोल रहे हैं सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल मतलब लाइन के नीचे कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग। जो आप पूछ रहे हो दे आर को इंटीरियर और एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल। क्लियर है? ठीक है। Okay, next question. Who will explain? Come. 5.2. बिल्कुल। थोड़ा साइड होके लिखो। What is the property of parallel lines? एक मिनट साइड हो जाओ। If two lines are parallel, then the distance between the two parallel lines everywhere is same. Got it? तो जैसे इस ये लाइन के बीच का डिस्टेंस यहाँ ज्यादा है, यहाँ लेस है, तो they are not parallel. But this is parallel. Like you have seen the railway track, the distance between the railway track, two bars of the railway track are always same. अगर वो close हो जाएंगी, then how train will move? ठीक है, तो line should be parallel. जल्दी जल्दी ड्रॉ करो। थोड़ा बड़ा लिखो. इज इट विजिबल? आप देखो इधर, बाहर लिख दो नंबर, जरूरी थोड़ी इसके अंदर लिखने हैं. एक मिनट साइड हो, लाइन को इंक्रीज करो. 5 6 7 8 लिखो, जल्दी करो, बताओ किसकी वैल्यू गिवन है.
A parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to 5.
ए क्या है इसमें, ये लिखो कहाँ पे है. पार्ट थोड़ी लिखना, लाइन ए कौन सी है, ये चौक लो. बोल के बताओ.
They both angles are corresponding angles, angle 1 and 5, 4 by 7, 2 by 6, and 3 by 8.
बाय 6 नहीं, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, बाय थोड़ी आना है. एंगल 1 and angle 5 are equal because lines are parallel and they are corresponding angle on the same side of the transversal. So that's why they are equal, because when the two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are always equal.
Second is angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B.
4 6 के इक्वल है.
And alternate interior angle.
हाँ लिखो यहाँ पे, 4 and 6 are alternate interior angle. ये रब कर दो जो मैंने ड्रॉ किया. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate angle, so lines must be parallel. बोलते जाओ, थर्ड पार्ट बोलो, मत लिखो, बोलते जाओ, थर्ड पार्ट बोलो.
If angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree, then A parallel to B. If angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree, then they form supplementary angle on the same side of transversal.
Supplementary नहीं, they are co-interior angle on the same side of the transversal whose sum is 180 degree. इधर आओ. Next part. ठीक है, go. Come, you have to explain it. इतना टाइम नहीं लगाना बच्चे लिखने में, बोल के एक्सप्लेन करना है आपने. आप बोलोगे तो उनको भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी और आपको भी होगी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और बार बार ये बीच में घूमते मत जाओ. फिगर ड्रॉ करो, फिगर बड़ी सी ड्रॉ करके एक्सप्लेन कर दो. बनाओ थर्ड पार्ट की फिगर, थर्ड क्वेश्चन. मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, एंगल्स बड़े लिखो, 4 को ठीक करो, थोड़ा बड़ा लिखो. बुक को ऐसे होल्ड करो. यहाँ रख, यहाँ रख, यहाँ रख लो. हाँ जी, चलो बोलो.
The pairs of corresponding angles.
ये लगाओ माइक.
Angle 4, angle 8 are corresponding angles.
बच्चे एक्सप्लेन करो वहां पर.
Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles, and angle 7 and 3 are corresponding angles. 6 and 2 are corresponding angle and 5 and 1 are corresponding angles.
Second part is alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior.
Explain करो.
Angle 3 and angle 5, angle 8 and angle 2 are alternate interior.
Angle 3 and angle 5 form one pair. Angle 2 and angle 8 form another pair. They are alternate angles on the either side of the transversal. एक transversal के left पे एक right पे.
Pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Pair of interior angles are 3 and 8 and 2 and 5. And vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 5 and 7, 8 and 6.
Vertically opposite angles are formed when lines intersect each other. So these two lines are intersecting. 2 equal to 4, 1 equal to 3, 6 equal to 8, 7 equal to 5. They are vertically opposite angles. Is it okay? Any doubt? Next question is angles you have to find. Okay. Okay. ठीक ठीक है ठीक. हाँ यहाँ कर दो.
In this figure, angle 1 I have marked by myself.
Lines intersect करनी है.
Line L is intersecting line P and Q, and lines P and Q are parallel. This angle 1 I have marked by myself, and it is 125 degree because it is vertically opposite to this angle. And as we
Okay, these two lines, this line and this line, P and L are intersecting each other. That's why these two angles are vertically opposite angles. And line P is parallel to Q. Okay, and this is a transversal. And these two angles are vertically opposite. Okay, so angle 1 is 125.
angle E and angle 125 are forming on a straight line, so angle E is equal to 55 degree.
बताओ ऐसे explain करो, ऐसे हाथ लगा के बताओ. हाँ, ये बनाओ.
They form 180 degree, so 180 minus 125 is equal to 50 degree.
As angle E and 125 are forming semicircle. Semicircle means they are making 180 degree. So if you subtract 120 from 180, that will give you value of E. Is it so? So if you get E, that will be equal to
F.
ये भी होगा भी करते हैं. ठीक है.
Angle F is also equal to 55 degree because it is vertically opposite to E.
हाथ लगा के बताओ.
Angle E. Now, angle A is corresponding to angle E, and angle E is 55, so angle A is also 55 degree because the lines are parallel, so the corresponding angles will be equal. And angle D is corresponding to angle 125, so D will also be 125 degree.
Why D is 125? Because angle 125 and D are on the same side of the transversal. Both are forming above the parallel line. So they are corresponding angle. In the same way, E and A are also corresponding. Which is the corresponding angle of F? C. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, and a corresponding angle of one is B. B. Yes, right angle.
Angle C is equal to
What is the alternate interior angle of F? Alternate interior angle of F. Can you tell me the sum of co-interior angle is 180? Which is forming co-interior angle here? A. Yes, one another pair. Yes, Prabhu. One pair Herman has told, another pair. The sum of co-interior angle which form 180 degree. Hardik. Co-interior angle on the polo. क्या? खुशी. Next pair बोलो, ये हरमन ने बताया. आपको बोलना जरूरी है. सारा गलत बोल. बोलो. A और F ये तो अल्टरनेट है. मैंने पूछा co-interior angle which form 180 degree. Yes. B. Co-interior angle Lakshman. FD, very good. F and D form 180 degree. मुझे पता है मैंने बोला. तो वैसे क्या? आपका समझे से हाथ नीचे कर दीजिए. F and D form 180 degree. They are co-interior angles. Yes, which is the vertically opposite angle of B? Drishti. Which is the vertically opposite angle of B?
Ma'am,
B का. हाँ जी ठीक है.
Ma'am,
D. Yes, Jasleen. Jalash, Guneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jalash. Which is the
Yes, ma'am.
alternate exterior angle of 125? Alternate exterior angle of 125.
Ma'am, D.
Yes, repeat.
Ma'am, D.
D ki B?
Ma'am, D.
B.
for that.
Okay, yes, B. Actually 125 का alternate B. ये भी exterior है, बाहर है, ये भी exterior है. 125 का exterior है, alternate exterior हो जाएगा B. 125 का alternate exterior क्या हो जाएगा? B. ठीक है? How many more questions are there? है ना? चलो हरमन out next. Hurry up. Don't bring your notebook. Bring your book. Draw the figure and explain it.
both the lines
हाँ बोलो.
intersecting both the lines.
पहले पैरेलल लाइन बताओ कौन सी. थोड़ा साइड.
मैम बता दी L और M.
इधर नहीं, मेरे तुमको बताओ.
L और M. And 110 degree
is corresponding to this angle. So I am
ऐसे भी बोलो ना, तभी विजिबल होगा.
so I am naming this angle as y, because 110 is corresponding to y, and y forms linear pair with x. So y is equal to 110 degree, and x is equal to 180 minus y. Is
और
equal to
लिखो
70.
साइड होगा और लिखो नजर ही नहीं आ रहा. x is equal to 70 degree.
X is equal to 70 degree.
बच्चे this angle is 110, angle y is corresponding, that is also 110, and these are forming linear pair. So we have got x by subtracting 110 from 180. आप एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते हो, बोलते हो ना आवाज आती है. लाउडली बोल के एक्सप्लेन करना है. आपको यहाँ क्यों बुला रहे हैं? क्वेश्चन नंबर फिगर को थोड़ा बड़ा करो, लाइन्स इंक्रीज करो. This question was there in the test, na? It was very easy. Students have written the answer, but they haven't written the suitable reason. The reason was very important. So I have deducted 1 marks who have not written the reasoning. ठीक है, बुक रख दो यहाँ. चलो एक्सप्लेन करो पहले.
Angle ABC is 70 degree. So angle DGC will
पहले
also,
लाइंस बताओ कौन सी पैरेलल है.
angle line AB and DE are parallel, and BC and EF are parallel. So a 70 degree is corresponding to DBC, and this will
लिख दो
also be
वहाँ पे 70
70
डिग्री. हाँ ठीक है, वेरी गुड. हाँ जी,
Now,
माइक क्लोज करो.
now BC is parallel to EF, so DGC is corresponding to GEF, so this will be also 70 degree.
These two lines are parallel, so these are corresponding angle. In the same way, these two lines are parallel, so these are corresponding angle which are on the same side of the transversal. Yes, Drishti?
Ma'am, I have doubts on test.
Yes.
मैम जो टेस्ट में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था मैम, हम उसमें 29 को नहीं एक्सपांड कर सकते?
इसमें
मैम जो टेस्ट में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था.
यस
Test?
मैम.
स्टेट. अच्छा, 17 -17 इंटू -29.
यस मैम.
हाँ हाँ, किसी को भी कर सकते हैं.
मैम मैंने 29 को ही किया, पर आपने मेरा गलत किया.
आपने पता क्या लिखा था? आपने लिखा था -30 -1. वो तो -31 होता है, जबकि हमें चाहिए.
मैम मैंने वो नहीं लिखा.
अच्छा फिर मेरे को पिक सेंड करना, मैं चेक कर लूंगी दोबारा।
ओके मैम, मैम और सेकंड वाला भी।
अच्छा आप मुझे सेंड करना, मैं एक बार दोबारा रिव्यू करके देन आई विल टेल।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Yes, anyone having any other doubt? Anything you want to ask? So remaining question we will discuss tomorrow. Now time is over. Okay. Chal come explain one more question. Sixth question. Whosoever is coming on the board, draw the big figure and explain the question. Change the question number. No noise. You have doubt? Come. Bring your book. Bolo. आंसर लिख के रीजन तो देना है। हाँ रीजन नहीं बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं चाहिए, पर जो रीजनिंग है वो तो लिखनी है ना। जैसे आंसर लिख दिया DGC इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री, हाउ DGD लिखो तो सही, लाइन पैरेलल है, ये कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है, इतना तो लिखना है ना, थोड़ा बहुत तो लिखना ही है।
The question is, if the line L is parallel to M, line N is intersecting line L and M. So as we know that the co-interior angles form 180 degree if the lines are parallel. 126 degree is equal to
These two angles are forming 180 degree. Is it so? No, they are forming 170. The lines are
not parallel.
not parallel. Yes. If the sum will be 180, then only the lines will be parallel.